Hi, this is Juan from CureUV, and today I'm going to show you the GermAwayUV 60-watt UVC tabletop sterilizer. Kind of a mouthful. It's a great system, but just like any other UVC system, whenever you're dealing with these, please wear safety glasses just in case, okay? Even if it's off. So this system is really basic, really effective. It has a 60-watt bulb, and you can turn it on either with the bulb here and then walk out of the room, or you can use the handy dandy remote here. If you can zoom in on the remote allows you to set the time between 15, 30, and 60 minutes. You just hit the amount of time you want and then hit it with the remote. So if you could zoom out again and get everything, I'm gonna hit it for 30 minutes and I'm gonna turn it on. And then I have 30 seconds to walk out of the room, which you should absolutely do, even though you're wearing your glasses. Now, not the most fun video, but as it gets closer to starting, the beeps will get shorter and shorter. You know, the time between beeps will get shorter and shorter. And then until you reach 30 seconds. And then instantly on. This is a very powerful system, so definitely don't leave anything, no cats, dogs, even plants in the room when you're sterilizing, especially if you're running the full 60-minute cycle. You can turn it off and on from outside, see? Or you can wait until it finishes at 60, 30, or 15 minutes and then come back in. Now, for this powerful of a unit, we recommend running probably 10 by 10 foot quadrants and just running it for at least 15 minutes per quadrant. Remember, it's line of sight sterilization, so anytime there's shadows, it's not gonna work. So it's better to move it around a lot and run it for shorter cycles than it would be to run it for a really long time in the center of the room. It's really easy to use. If you lose your remote or you don't have a battery or you just can't find it real quick, you just hit that. It'll go the length cycle that you last used, and but you can still use it. It's still effective. Hi, this is Juan from CureUV, and today I'm going to show you how to change out the 60-watt UVC light bulb and the 60-watt GermAwayUV tabletop sterilizer. It's pretty easy. You just have to deal with two screws. I'm going to show you where they are. The cameraman can zoom in. One is right here, and the other one is in the opposite side, right here. So it's pretty easy. You get a little Phillips screwdriver, and you unscrew them. It's not the most comfortable thing to do, but it's not difficult. All right, that's one. And this one. Now, it does sometimes fly out, like the unscrewed screw, so just be mindful of it so you don't lose it. All right, this is probably enough. All right. See, flies out. I got it. And then finish this one up. All right. And flies out. Okay. And if you could go up here and see, you don't need to deal with any of these. All you have to do is pull this up slightly and then turn it through here and you're good to go. You get your new bulb, $49.99 at CureUV.com, and you insert it through here and seat it back in the receptacle. You'll feel kind of a satisfying, click, and then you do what we did, but in the reverse. I'm going to do it just in case you're really bored and you want to watch this video to the end. That'll be in the bloopers reel. Right. you're good to go for another 6,000 hours. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. We would love to hear from you.